everyone, it's your boy Crypto Magnet 777 coming to you guys with a quick video on Revenuecoin, a new cryptocurrency that's still in the ICO phase, and they're currently on the public sale. Before we get into this video, be sure to join and hit us on that like and subscribe button and join us on a journey to 1,000 subscribers. Again, everything on my channel is not financial advice, just my personal opinion. Before we get into the video, also join us over at Patreon, where we assist traders on a daily basis know which cryptocurrencies to look out for and which new ones are coming to the market. Again, we have 3 tiers, $5, $10, and $25. Choose which one works for you, and we will see you on the moon. Now, guys, Revenuecoin, a new cryptocurrency that isn't even really public just yet. They're in the ICO phase, taking public sales, but you won't see them on CoinMarketCap. You won't see them on CoinGecko because it's such a new cryptocurrency. Let's dive right into it. Revenuecoin. It's the first revenue token in the world. Revenuecoin holders fund high-tech companies to scale startups, receiving funds to allocate up to 10% of revenues to the systematic purchase of RVC from the market, reducing supply and increasing value. Currently, we have 6 days and 4 hours for this thing to be launched completely. I'm going to jump into this cryptocurrency. It's currently on the public sale. It's live. You're able to come here to the website, purchase it right here below, and jump into this cryptocurrency. Guys, we have a countdown. The public sale is going to be stopped really around December 6th. So I am jumping into this because I like where this is going. It's bringing a real life utility token to life where you invest into this cryptocurrency. The funds are then put into tech companies, and 10% of that is given back to holders who are helping these other tech companies succeed. I love this cryptocurrency. I love the concept. They also have their white paper you can come over and download and see what they're doing. They have their public panel you can be a part of, and you can also check out their Telegram. Their Telegram is popping. It has over 6,000 people who has joined the Telegram. 1,000 of them are currently online, and I'm loving the bullish momentum from this cryptocurrency. They have their own articles as well. You guys can check out and understand some of the projects where they'll be dropping and the locations as well. Let's jump into the video and learn a little bit more about what Revenuecoin is.
If you invested $1,000 in Tesla 10 years ago, you would have over $200,000 today. Imagine if you could invest in Tesla, Google, or Facebook, not just early when stocks were cheap, but before they even went
what is this?
public, before they became the global conglomerates they are today. But here's the problem. That could have never happened to me or you, because everyday investors like us could only invest in these companies after they became available for trading, which is way more expensive. Before that, you had to be some big shot, well-connected corner office venture fund bank or business shark to get a piece of these companies and investment opportunities. But times are changing. And if there's one thing crypto has taught us, it's this. Now is the time for everyone to be empowered. We don't need to wait for big governments, big companies, or central banks. I mean, look what happened to AMC. If you had put $30,000 into Google stock back when it went public in 2004, you would have well over $500,000 just from that today. So imagine how rich you could be if you could have invested in the beginning, before the startup even IPO'd. But now things are changing, and there is some good news for us. Revenuecoin is creating a way for everyone, people like you and me, and also really big investors, to invest in high potential technology startups using cryptocurrencies. By holding RVC, you essentially become an investor in potentially global high-tech companies, allowing them to scale and earn more revenues. Companies receiving funding through Revenuecoin allocate up to 10% of their revenues to distribute to the RVC investors, and systematically buy back RVCs from the market, which reduces the supply and increases RVC's value over time. But how does all this work exactly? Revenuecoins are a revenue token. So by holding it in your wallets, just like any other cryptocurrency, you're entitled to all the advantages of cryptocurrencies, like quick liquidity and exchangeability with other coins. However, in addition, you gain the rights to a portion of revenues generated by revenue capital companies. This is the double advantage of RVC, trading speculation backed by strong revenues of selected.
All right, guys, that's Revenuecoin. You can check them out over at revenuecoin.io. I wanted to pause the video because they're playing some music and I'm not trying to get demonetized. Love the song. I'm all about my house and EDM. How does Revenuecoin work? Revenuecoin is a BEP20 token, an integral part of the revenue capital ecosystem, which supports promising high-tech companies by distributing funds and ensuring access to a shared customer base. Revenuecoin tokenomics stimulates the growing demand for the RVC tokens over time. I'm liking this cryptocurrency, and I love the concept that he brought in the video, where again a lot of us didn't get to the ground floor of jumping into what was a Facebook, a MySpace, Yahoo.com. The list goes on. Cryptocurrencies are giving the everyday average investor opportunities to get into companies on the ground level and grow as they grow over time. I'm all for it. I'm quite bullish for this cryptocurrency. I'm obviously going to invest in it. Again, none of this is financial advice, but when I look at a project like this and the potentiality and how it actually integrates into our real life, I'm all for it. And I love their designs. I love their roadmap. And I love the concept where they're creating real life companies and powered by cryptocurrencies and giving access to investors to get the dividends from it. Guys, I like this. Okay, I simply like it. You can check them out over at revenue.io. The benefits for RC holders: you're able to exchange your currency for, again, other cryptocurrencies. They have hidden projects which are ultimately going to rise the value of it. You'll be able to have voting rights as an investor in the cryptocurrency, access to the liquidity pool, and payment functions. I love it. I love it. I love it. Why will revenue coin value increase over time? Revenue coin is a deflationary token. Its quantity is fixed in a smart contract. RVC supply on the market decreases due to the monthly buyback and burning of tokens, which the companies from the revenue coin ecosystem are obliged to do by allocating up to 10% of their revenue to this end. In addition, the temporary blocking of RVC held by the team and largest investors protects it from sudden price falls. So it has a price fall where it protects people from rug pulls, where if an investor sells their bag and they have lots of RVC, it's going to keep the market stabilized, and it's not going to add fear to the investors that see it dropping at a high rate because of the whales. I like this cryptocurrency. I love the future where it's headed. I love the concept as well. They have a lot of growth factors where I see how this is going to integrate into our real life, and how I would love to know some of the companies that Revenue Coin is powered by. So I love to see them do more going forward with this cryptocurrency by also saying, hey, we're now live. Hey, these are the cryptocurrency. These are the tech companies that we've been able to fund, follow them, and see the potentiality of these cryptos. I love it. I love it. I love it. See how the value of the token would change in 2 to 5 or 10 years, depending on the average annual growth of revenue, capital, portfolio, projects, and their share in trading and exchanges. This is, some people like to short sell cryptocurrencies. I'm in cryptos for the long run. I'm currently 28 years old, and my business partner, he came to us. We had a conversation months ago. He said, hey, 10 years ago, we missed out on Bitcoin. 10 years ago, if we were to have jumped into these projects and understand this world of crypto, we would be multi-millionaires, if not billionaires. So I said, well, in the next 10 years, I'll be 38 years old. So we've been investing into cryptocurrencies, and we're doing our cryptos for a long time hold, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, and 20. We have SafeMoon that is a part of our portfolio. That is something that we will hold for a long time. And I am looking at Revenuecoin, and this is definitely joining our portfolio just for the longevity of the growth of it, and just how they have examples of where this project can go over time, depending upon the amount that you invest in. I like this cryptocurrency. I'm all for it. And I love the bullish momentum. I'm obviously going to put a lot more money in this from the beginning. So after 2 years, it's going to look pretty, 5, 10, and so on. So way prettier. Check out the portfolio. Revenue capital ecosystem creates a strong community of investors and founders through which we fund and support selected companies without taking any equity or ownership stake. This approach helps high potential startups meet their goals without sacrificing founding interests and long-term objectives, while sustainably increasing their post-money valuation. Increase in Revenuecoin's value depends on the selection of the portfolio companies to be funded. This decision is made by a panel of advisors based on the potential of projects under the consideration to generate increasing revenues within a period after receiving funding and access into the ecosystem. I love this. These are some of the companies that they're working with, the startups. And if you are a startup that's looking to be a part of their ecosystem, you can be able to join their ecosystem by clicking the link below as well. I love this integration of this type of coin where I own a tech company. I own a telecom brokerage, and this may be something that I would want to be a part of for my own company as well. I love the concept of this, and I love where this is headed. You can check out some of the tokenomics as well below, and investors who are part of this prospective startup, they get 80%. They have a liquidity pool. They have a 5% marketing budget, which I like because majority, when you see cryptocurrencies, they have low marketing budgets. They don't have sometimes a high potentiality for longevity. This cryptocurrency I see having a longevity mainly because it's integrating businesses and creating a real life utility token. We're currently on the public sale. They were able to have the pre-sale as well. Guys, I like this cryptocurrency. If you're bullish for a Revenuecoin, hit the like and subscribe button. This may be something you guys would love to check out. None of this is financial advice. And they also have been able to check off many of the things on the roadmap. We're currently on Q4, entering 2022, and placing Revenuecoin and leading cryptocurrency exchanges, centralized and decentralized, is their end goal before the end of 2021. I'm loving this cryptocurrency. I'm loving the roadmap. I'm loving a lot of what can come out of it. They have their frequently asked questions below as well. And guys, the most, in my opinion, the best part of this cryptocurrency, it is fully doxed. Having a fully doxed team that you're able to understand the background of who is a part of this cryptocurrency will help you wrap your head around the concept of the longevity of this cryptocurrency. I love this. I love that I can follow these individuals, and I love the concept of all the people who come together to make this a fruition, or this concept a reality. Because guys, a cryptocurrency that is helping real life tech companies succeed, and the success of those tech companies are powered by the ecosystem of a cryptocurrency that has a lot of potential. I am all for it. If you guys are bullish for Revenuecoin, hit that like and subscribe button. Comment below if you're going to jump into this cryptocurrency. It's still very new. It's not on any exchange. They have over 6,000 people part of the Telegram, and they have a public sale. Currently, guys, you can come over here and hit that panel, copy and paste this link, and you'll be able to participate in the public sale. Connect your wallet, enter the amount of BNB that you would like to exchange for this. The minimum is 0.1 BNB. Hit that buy button, and you'll be able to confirm and get your RVC. I am all for it. I will be adding this to our bag, entering December of 2021. I will be entering this, and this will be entering my portfolio under my personal profile as well. There are over 6,000 followers on Twitter, and they're continuously growing. I love the bullish momentum of this cryptocurrency. They're highly active. They're sharing tweets. They're talking to the community, and they're building a community that can last. I love it. I love it. I love it. You can check them out as well at coindex.com, where you can see we're still in the ICO phase. It's not even too public for people to even partake in. It's under, again, guys, it's under 1 cent. I am all for this cryptocurrency. I do see this cryptocurrency skyrocketing. We'll pass $1. We'll pass $2, because guys, this is a cryptocurrency that's adding a real life utility into the market that we're seeking. Tech companies are on the rise around the world, and to be a part of an ecosystem, or to join an ecosystem and help your tech company survive, all powered by an ecosystem such as a cryptocurrency, I am all bullish for it. You can see the tokenomics, how they're giving out 50% to the investors, support of the ecosystem 15%. The team is getting paid from this as well, 10%. The marketing sales 10%, liquidity 5%, advisory team 5%, and the community 5%. They are all about their investors in this cryptocurrency, and they are all about an ecosystem that is looking to last. The private sale was September 15th to October 31st of 2021, and we're now in the ICO. Between November 1st and December 5th of 2021, this is an ongoing project right now before it really truly launches. You guys are still in the ground level jump in. Again, none of this is financial advice, but this is definitely something I'm going to add to my bag. I like Revenuecoin. I love the concept of them creating and supporting startups. If you guys are bullish for this cryptocurrency, hit that comment below. I love to meet more of the people who are jumping in the ecosystem. Again, guys, this is your guys' crypto magnets. Come to you guys with a quick video on Revenuecoin, a new cryptocurrency still in the early phases. The ICO, you can head to their website and join and load your bags, guys. Again, this is Crypto Magnet. Come to you guys with a quick video. Be sure to join that Patreon as well and join other investors. And I will see you guys on the